everyone, welcome to our channel Homelux. Here, welcome to our video on patio designs and house exterior rooftop terraces. Patios are a great way to add outdoor living space to your home. There are many design options to choose from when planning your patio. For a traditional look, you may want to consider using brick or concrete pavers. These materials are durable and low maintenance. If you are looking for a more natural look, you can use flagstone or gravel. Another popular option is wood decking, which can give your patio a warm and welcoming feel. You can also customize your patio with furniture, fire pits, and outdoor kitchens to make it the perfect space for entertaining. Now, let's talk about rooftop terraces. A rooftop terrace can add a unique and stylish element to the exterior of your home. It can provide a beautiful outdoor space to relax and enjoy the view. To design your rooftop terrace, consider the style of your home and the surrounding landscape. You can add plants and flower to bring a touch of the nature to the space. Furniture and lighting can also be used to create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere, making sure to also consider the practical aspects. When designing your patio, it is important to consider the size and the layout of your outdoor space. If you have a large backyard, you may want to create separate areas for different activities such as dining, logging, and cooking. You can also define the space by using different materials or color schemes. For example, you can use a different type of stone or paver of your dining area compared to your lounging area. Both patios and rooftop terrace can add value and enjoyment to your home by considering the size, layout, and orientation of your outdoor space. And by thinking about the practical aspects, you can create the perfect patio or rooftop terrace for your home. Another important aspect of patio design is the use of the hardscaping element. Hardscaping refers to the use of in- inanimate objects in your patio designs, such as walls, steps, and edging. These elements can help to define the space and create a cohesive look. For example, you can use retaining walls to create different levels in your patio, or you can use steps to transition from one area to another. You can also use edging to separate different materials, such as a border of stones around a grassy area. Hardscaping elements can also serve functional purpose. For example, a pergola can provide shade and a sense of enclosure, while a fireplace or fire pit can provide warmth and a gathering place. Outdoor kitchen and bar areas can also a great addition to a patio, allowing you to cook and entertain outside. Incorporating elements such as these can help to turn your patio into a fully functional outdoor living space. You can also use lighting and sound system to enhance the atmosphere and making your patio a comfortable place to be at any time of day. When designing a rooftop terrace, it is also important to consider the views and the surroundings. A rooftop terrace can provide a unique perspective of your surroundings, and it is a great opportunity to take in the beauty of your surroundings. You can use furniture and decor to create a comfortable and inviting space, and you can also use plants and flowers to add a touch of nature. Overall, patios and rooftop terrace can be a great addition to any home by considering the size and layout of your outdoor space, as well as the use of hardscaping elements and the surroundings. You can create a functional and beautiful outdoor living space that you will enjoy for years. Here are some tips for designing and styling your patio. Tip number 1: start with a plan. Before you start buying furniture or decor, take some time to plan out your patio or rooftop terrace. Consider the size and the layout of the space, as well as the style you want to achieve. This will help you make the most of your space and avoid making costly mistakes. Tip number 2: use a mix of materials. Mixing materials can add visual interest to your patio or rooftop terrace. For example, you can use a combination of wood, stone, and metal in your furniture and decor. Tip number 3: incorporate plants and greenery. Adding plants and greenery to your patio or rooftop terrace can bring a touch of nature to the space and add a pop of color. Choose plants that are suitable for the amount of sunlight and water the space receives. Tip number 4: use lighting to create ambience. Lighting can have a big impact on the atmosphere of your patio or rooftop terrace. Consider using string lights, lanterns, or candles to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Tip number 5: consider the function of the space. Think about how you want to use your patio or rooftop terrace. Do you want a space for entertaining, relaxing, or both? Choose furniture and decor that will support the function of the space. Tip number 6: personalize of the space. Add personal touches to your patio or rooftop terrace to make it feel like your own. This can include artwork, family photos, or sentimental items. Tip number 7: don't forget about comfort. Make sure to include comfortable seating and plenty of pillows and cushions to make your patio or rooftop terrace a comfortable place to be. Tip number 8: create separate areas. If you have a large patio or rooftop terrace, consider creating separate areas for different activities. For example, you can have a dining area, a lounging area, and a cooking area. This will help to define the space and making it feel more cohesive. Tip number 9: make use of vertical space. Don't forget about vertical space when designing your patio or rooftop terrace. You can use wall mounted planters or vertical gardens to add greenery to the space. You can also hang artwork or use wall mounted shelving for additional storage. Tip number 10: use furniture and decor to add color and pattern. Furniture and decor are a great way to add color and pattern to your patio or rooftop terrace. Choose pieces that coordinate with the overall style of the space, but don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and textures for visual interest. Tip number 11. Choose durable materials. Your patio or rooftop terrace is likely to be exposed to the elements. So it's very important to choose materials that are durable and weather resistant. These include furniture, decor, and flooring materials. Tip number 12. Don't forget about the finishing touch. The small details can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your patio or rooftop terrace. Consider adding throw pillows, rugs, and other decorative accents to finish off the space. Tip number 13. Make use of space saving furniture. If you have small patio or rooftop terrace, it is important to make the most of the space you have. Choose furniture that is compact and can be easily moved or stored when not in use. Tip number 14. Use rugs to define the space. Rugs can be great way to add color and pattern to your patio or rooftop terrace, and they can also help to define different areas within the space. Choose a rug that is durable and weather resistant and make sure it is the right size for the space. Tip number 15. Consider the layout of your space. The layout of your patio or rooftop terrace can have a big impact on the overall feel of the space. Arrange furniture and decor in a way that creates a cohesive flow and encourages conversation. Tip number 16. Add storage solutions. Outdoor storage solutions such as benches with built-in storage or deck boxes can be a great way to keep your patio or rooftop terrace organized and clutter-free. Tip number 17. Invest in quality pieces. While it is important to stay within your budget, but it is also a good idea to invest in high quality pieces for your patio or rooftop terrace. These pieces are likely to be more durable and last longer, which can save your money in the long run. Tip number 18. Use lighting to create different modes. Lighting is a powerful tool for creating different modes on your patio or rooftop terrace. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a cohesive look. You can also use lighting to highlight specific areas or features of your space. Tip number 19. Add privacy. If your life in a busy or want to add some privacy to your patio or rooftop terrace, this can be achieved through the use of fencing, screens, or plants. Tip number 20. Consider the maintenance of the space. When designing your patio or rooftop terrace, consider the amount of maintenance the space will require. Choose materials and plants that are low maintenance and consider using self-watering planters to reduce the amount of watering required. Tip number 21. Don't forget about the view. It is very important tip. If you have a rooftop terrace, you likely have a great view. Make sure to take advantage of this by choosing furniture and decor that allows you to full enjoy the view. Tip number 22. Use outdoor fabrics. Outdoor fabrics are specially designed to withstand the elements and are a great choice for patio and rooftop terrace furniture and decor. They are more durable and a fade resistant than indoor fabrics, and they come in a wide range of colors and patterns. By following these tips, you can create a patio or rooftop terrace that is both functional and stylish. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can create a outdoor living space that you will enjoy for years to come. Whether you want a space for entertaining, relaxing, for both. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.